Hi, I'm doing the March 8th and abortion death anniversary separately because I have a lot of information for all of them. And the most recent one was a young girl named Rita, 16 years old, who died March 8, 1975, after an abortion performed by Dr. Robert Sherman at Columbia Family Planning Clinic in Washington, D.C. Now, Sherman performed the abortion on March 4th. Rita was in the second trimester of pregnancy, and he tried to use a first trimester technique on her using the suction abortion, which isn't going to get a fetus that big out. He sent Rita home, telling her and her mother that she'd probably expel the fetus that night. And as they left the office, Rita told her mother, "Oh, Mama, I feel like I had 100 needles in me." Rita didn't expel the fetus and said she developed a fever, and her mother called Sherman's office trying to get some care for her, and she said that Sherman wouldn't speak to her, and the receptionist just said to bring Rita in 2 days. And early in the morning of March 7th, Rita woke screaming, then collapsed in her mother's arms. She took her to the hospital, where doctors removed the macerated fetus from her vagina, but she died from massive infection just after midnight into March 8th. An investigation into Rita's death revealed evidence that Sherman deliberately performed incomplete abortions so that he could charge more for follow-up care. He'd send patients home with green plastic trash bags to collect the fetuses. So Sherman was charged with murder in Rita's death because of the deliberate incomplete abortion. And prosecutors presented witnesses and evidence that Sherman reused disposable medical equipment, failed to perform tests to verify pregnancy, failed to do pathology examinations of abortion tissues, and allowed a nurse's aide to perform surgery, and falsified medical records. He was hospitalized during the trial, complaining about chest pains, although they never found anything wrong with him. The trial ended in a hung jury. But in order to get the prosecution to drop the case and not pursue any more murder charges, he pleaded guilty to 25 counts of perjury instead.